So in this video, we are going to learn how to send TradingView alerts on crossing up to Slack. Let's say you have created some alerts in your TradingView account for different indices or stocks, and you want that whenever you get an alert message for a stock crossing up a specific price for which you have created the alert, you want to send that alert message to your team members on your Slack channel. So let me tell you, you can completely automate this process. In this automation, as we are going to get a new alert for any stock price crossing up in TradingView, we are going to send that same alert as a message on our Slack channel to update our team members immediately. Now, if you want to know how you can set up this kind of automation, for that you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, this is my TradingView account. And in my TradingView account, I'm creating some alerts for multiple stocks and indices for their price crossing up at specific amount. Let me show you with an example. So this is the Nifty 50 index, and for this index, I've created this kind of alert that whenever the Nifty 50 index price is going to cross up this particular amount, this particular price, then I want to get the alert message in TradingView. And the message will be something like this. Nifty 50 is crossing this price. The current price is this. So whatever the current price will be after crossing this amount, we will be getting that price in the alert message. And also we will be getting the volume, that at what volume this particular index or stock is trading at. You can basically create any other message of your choice. Now I want that whenever I get this alert message in my TradingView account, I also want to send this exact same message on my Slack channel and update my team members for the same as well. Now to do this, we have to connect our TradingView account with Slack so that whenever the stock or the index for which we have created the alert, that particular stock is going to cross up the price, we are going to share the alert message on Slack. Now to do this, we have to connect both of these applications, and to connect both of these applications, we are going to use an automation and integration platform called Pabbly Connect. Now to get started with Pabbly Connect, just go to your browser and search for Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect. And here you can see we have reached to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. After coming here, you can see two options, sign in and sign up free. If you are new to Pabbly, just click on sign up free and you can set up your free Pabbly account in just 2 minutes. Or if you're an existing Pabbly user, just sign into your own Pabbly account. After signing in, you will reach to this All Apps page of Pabbly. Here we just have to click on Access Now below Pabbly Connect. After clicking on Access Now, we will reach to Pabbly Connect's dashboard. And here we have to create an automation workflow. Just click on this Create Workflow button and give this workflow a name. So I'll name my workflow as TradingView to Slack. You can basically give any other name of your choice. Then we have to select the folder of your Pabbly account in which you want to create this automation, and then just click on Create. Now as you click on Create, here you can see the workflow will open in front of us. And in this workflow, you can see two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with our trigger window. Now the idea here is, first we are going to connect our TradingView account with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step, so that whenever we are going to get an alert in our TradingView account for any price crossing up, any price of the stock crossing up for the alerts which we have created, automatically the details of that particular alert will be received inside Pabbly Connect. The same alert message which we have created in TradingView, the same message will be received in our Pabbly Connect workflow, and this automation will trigger. After that, using this Pabbly Connect automation, we are going to send the same alert message on our Slack channel. So let's see how it is done. Here in our trigger window in Choose App, search for TradingView. Just select it. After selecting TradingView, in Trigger Event from this drop-down, select the trigger event as New Alert. After selecting the trigger event, Pabbly Connect gave us a webhook URL. And using this webhook URL, we are going to connect the alert messages which we are getting on our TradingView account with Pabbly Connect. So we have to add this webhook URL in our TradingView account. And to add this webhook URL, we just have to follow the instructions given below over here. Just copy this webhook URL from here and go to your TradingView account. After coming to your TradingView account, we have to just open the alert which we have created. Let's say I have created this alert. Now we only want to get the alerts for prices crossing up. So here you can see in the condition I have selected crossing up over here as the price. Now what is going to happen whenever this alert condition will be met, we are going to get the alert message in our TradingView account. And to send the same alert message to Pabbly Connect using the webhook URL, we have to go to the notification section of this alert, and here you can see this option of webhook URL. Just select it. And after that, we have to paste the exact same webhook URL over here. So we have copied the webhook URL from Pabbly Connect and added it in TradingView. And after adding this webhook URL, just click on Save. Now, as we click on Save, here you can see we have successfully added this webhook URL in our alert message. Let me show you. We will go to the Edit section once again, and the webhook URL is added. Now, whenever this alert condition will be met in our TradingView account, we are going to get this exact same alert message which we have created over here in our Pabbly Connect workflow as well. Now, here you can see in this alert condition, I have added the price as 22,290. But right now, Nifty 50 index is trading at 22,279. So let me change the alert price over here so that we can quickly get the response. We can quickly get the alert message. But basically, you can create any alert of your choice, and you just have to wait for this particular index to go or to basically cross that particular price to fulfill this condition. So after updating the alert price, just click on Save. And as we click on Save, here you can see the alert price is updated. Now we just have to wait for this index to cross up this price for which we have created the alert. So we'll just wait for a few minutes over here. And yes, here you can see just now Nifty 50 index has crossed up this particular price for which we have created the alert. That was 22,280. And currently the price is 22,284 as of now at this point of time. Now, because we have added the webhook URL in this alert message, we will see in our Pabbly Connect workflow in this trigger step, we have received the response. And in this response, you can see the exact same alert message which we have created in TradingView. Nifty 50 is crossing up and we have the price for which we have created the alert, the same price which we have added in the message. The current price is 22,280.55 and the volume at which it is trading at is this. This means the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed, where we have successfully received the alert message from our TradingView account in our Pabbly Connect workflow. Now after this, whenever this particular stock or index will be crossing up the price, whenever we are going to get the alert message in TradingView, the same message will be received inside Pabbly Connect. Now here guys, there is a condition. Before sending this message on our Slack channel, let me tell you that whenever we are going to create a new alert in TradingView, the same webhook URL will be added. Let me click on this plus button and we are going to try adding a new alert over here. Let's say I'm adding an alert for crossing down. But if I set up this alert condition, under notification section, the same webhook URL is added over here. So we will be getting the webhook notification. We will be getting the alert message from our TradingView account for each and every alert. If you have created different alert for different conditions, then also what is going to happen, you will get the alert message in your Pabbly Connect workflow, and using this automation, you can post that message on Slack. But here we have a condition that only if the price is crossing up, only if the stock or the index is crossing up, only in that case we want to send the alert message. So what you can do, you can set up a filter condition in your Pabbly Connect workflow. The filter condition will be like, if we are having this word crossing up in the alert message, only in that case, the message will be posted, the alert will be shared on our Slack channel. So you just have to ensure that in your alert message, you are having this word crossing up. You can basically create any message of your choice, but just ensure that you are adding this particular word as it is crossing up anywhere in the message. And to set up the filter condition, we will just scroll down and come to this action step. And here in Choose App, select Filter by Pabbly. After selecting Filter by Pabbly, in Action Event from the drop-down, select Filter Value and click on Connect. After clicking on Connect, here the first thing it asks us is to select the label. Now because we have received only one response from TradingView over here, in this dropdown, we can see the exact same response. So here we are going to select this label as the response, and in filter type in this dropdown, you can see we have a list of different options. Out of all of this, we are going to select this option of contains. And in value, we are going to add the value as crossing up, this particular word. That if the alert message which we are receiving from TradingView, if this message will be having this word, this message will contain this word crossing up, only in that case, the automation workflow will be continued further and that message will be posted on our Slack channel. If we get the alert message without this word of crossing up, in that case, what is going to happen? That particular message will not be shared on our Slack channel. So we have added this kind of filter condition. Now let's click on save and send test request. And because the trigger response which we have captured, in this response you can see we have this word crossing up. That's why it is showing us the condition is true. This means the filter condition is also working perfectly fine. Now, after setting up this filter condition and ensuring that only the alert with crossing up message should be posted on Slack, what we have to do, we will just click on this add button, click on this add action step button, and then here in choose app, we are going to search for Slack because we want to post the exact same message on our Slack channel. After selecting Slack in action event from the drop down, select the action event as send channel message. Then after that, just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our Slack account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, just click on this connect with Slack button. Now as we click on connect, here it is asking us for the token type. Now while connecting our Slack account with Pabbly Connect, we can basically make two different types of connection. Either we can make a user-based connection or a bot-based connection. Now you must be thinking, what is the difference between a user-based connection and a bot-based connection? So to know this, here in the help text below, you can see this hyperlink. Just click on it and it will take you to a page on our forum. And at this page, you can see a complete guide between a user-based token and a bot-based token. You can just refer to this page and select the appropriate option as per your requirement. Right now, I'm just going to make a bot-based connection. So I'm going to write bot over here and click on save. Now, as I click on save, here you can see because I have already logged into my Slack account in my browser, Pabbly Connect will detect the same account. In this pop-up window, just scroll down and click on allow. And as we click on allow, we will see our Slack account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, the first thing it asks us is the channel. That in our Slack account, we might be having multiple channels over here. Out of all of this, on which particular channel we want to send this alert message from TradingView. So I have created the channel named as TradingView Alerts over here. And here in this dropdown, you can see a list of all the channels which we have in our Slack account. So from this dropdown, select the channel on which you want to send the message. Then after that, it is asking us for the message, that what is the actual message we want to post on our Slack channel. So we want to send the exact same message which we have received from TradingView in the trigger step. So what we have to do, we have to map this response of alert message from this TradingView trigger step to this Slack action step. And the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field and here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the responses from previous two steps. Out of all of this, from TradingView responses, we are going to select the response of message and it will be mapped. In this way, whatever alert message we are going to receive from our TradingView account, the same message will be posted, the same message will be sent on our Slack channel using this Pabbly Connect automation. After mapping the message, it is asking us image URL and image alt text. So using this action, if you want, you can send some images on your Slack account as well. But right now, we don't want to send any images, so we can just ignore these two fields for now. Then it is asking us for the bot name and bot icon. Now, if you have created or if you have used a bot-based connection between Slack and Pabbly Connect, you have a freedom to enter any name and any bot icon of the bot who is going to post the message on our Slack channel. Let's say I want to name my bot as TradingView. So I'll enter the bot name as TradingView. And if you want, you can change the icon of the bot as well. Just enter the image URL which you want to set up as the bot icon, and that image will be used as the bot icon while posting the message on our Slack channel. Right now, the field of bot icon is not mandatory, is not required. So I'm just going to ignore this field for now. Then it is asking us auto expand link username and channel name, reply broadcast, and thread message ID. So all of these fields are not mandatory, are not required. So either you can ignore this field or from the drop down, you can just select any option of your choice. And after selecting all the correct option as per your requirement, just click on save and send test request. Now when we click on save and send test request, here you can see we have received some response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the message which we have mapped over here, basically the alert message which we have received from TradingView, is now posted on our Slack channel. So let's check it. I will just go to my Slack account and yes, here you can see the bot named as TradingView, the same bot name which we have entered over here in our Pabbly Connect workflow. By the same name, this bot has posted a message on our Slack channel, the same channel which we have selected in our workflow. And the message is Nifty 50 is crossing up this price. The current price is this and the volume it is trading at is this. We have the exact same alert message which we have created in our TradingView account, as you can see over here. This means the automation workflow which we have created between TradingView and Slack for getting the alert of any stock or index price going up in our TradingView account, we have successfully tested that this automation is working perfectly fine. And using this automation, whenever we are going to receive an alert message for the price crossing up in our TradingView account, the same message will be sent on our Slack channel as well. Now, after setting up this automation, let's test this automation workflow once as well. Right now, this particular index is trading at 22,296. Let me change the alert price as 22,297 for example, and I'll enter the same price in the message section as well. Then after that, I'm going to create an alert for this. I'm going to create an alert that whenever Nifty 50 index is going to cross up this particular price. Let's click on save. So just now we have created the alert. Now we will just wait for a few seconds or some time and wait that whether this index is going to cross this particular price. And we will see as it is going to cross up this price, we will be getting a notification of alert message in TradingView, and the same message will be posted on our Slack channel. So let's wait for some time over here. And yes, here you can see just now this index Nifty 50 has crossed the price for which we have created the alert. It has crossed up and we have received the alert message in our TradingView account. And because we have created this automation, we will see the same alert message will be posted on our Slack channel as well. So we'll just go to our Slack channel, and yes, here you can see immediately the same message is shared on our Slack channel with our team members. Nifty 50 is crossing up and we have the price for which we have created the alert. The current price is this and the volume it is trading at is this over here. This means we have tested this automation in real time and it is working perfectly fine. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of this exact same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this automation for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for absolutely free.
So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.